Your hands, Naman. Jia, Manav. Oh, your hands is feeling so cold. Manav, Aditya, Shrestha.
My laptop.
Huh?
I'm opening up my laptop.
Okay, okay. Aditya, Raghav, Janvi, Vrinda. Come on. Now the foremost thing is that we have to first tell me how many of you has anybody gone to the school as yet?
Me.
No, ma'am.
Mummy.
Oh, ma'am. I'm 25 there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 25th onwards. And is it compulsory for all or is it your choice?
optional.
Parents' permission.
Ma'am, optional. Ma'am,
Ma'am, choice.
Oh,
Ma'am, it would be
okay.
compulsory
And
from
are they
step
calling
one. It would be
okay.
compulsory.
And are they calling you? It will be compulsory.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And are they'll be calling you every day?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So that means that we cannot have the morning class 7 to 8. Isn't it? Because I presume by 8 o'clock you have to be in school or at the
Ma'am, we
most you
have
will
to
be in
be
transit your way to
like
school. So,
but ma'am, we need
yeah,
to be.
either.
मैम उठना पड़ता है ना मैम जैसे मैम टाइम चाहिए होते पहले
क्या होता है?
मैम एकदम मैम क्लास लेने के
What
बाद
are
ही
you
जा
saying?
सकते हैं ना मैम
7 to 8. But by 8, 8:15 you have to reach your school, no?
यही तो कह रहा हूँ मैम
Ma'am,
ऐसे
7.
नहीं ले सकते मैम
That is what I'm saying. We can't have a morning class. I think that is what I said. If your schools reopen, we cannot have the morning class. No, I can take, but you can't. I don't think you can.
Ma'am?
Can you?
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, no
No,
one was
ma'am.
having problem 8 to 9 p.m. TTS.
TTS. TTS, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that fine? TTS 8 to 9?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can it be from 9? Because sometimes I have a classes on Thursday and that may extend to 8:30 sometimes.
Sometimes there were so many of them who had some problem with 10 o'clock.
Ma'am, please don't keep at 9, ma'am. I actually have a class at 9.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Urvi class extends sometimes, so ma'am.
But there are others also who have. You want it from 8 to 9.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Except Urvi has a problem once in a while.
Yes, ma'am. Only for Thursdays and that too sometime.
Okay, then that doesn't matter. If you're late, we'll cover up whatever has been left. Fine. So let's go with 8 to 9. I think that is quite suitable. 8 to 9. You can't miss your school also, and we can have the classes properly. So that's decided. Now, after this class, we are going to have a class on Saturday from 8 to 9. Remember, it could be possible that, you might not remember it because you're used to 7 to 8 in the morning. So keep it in mind on Saturday, we have a class from 8 to 9 p.m.
Okay, ma'am.
Akshit, fine? Yes, Varun, you're saying something?
मैम कल होगी क्लास थर्सडे को
Kal, tomorrow is which day? Nahi, kal nahi hogi. I'm taking this class today, so we'll have the class on Saturday.
ओके मैम
Is that clear, all of you? And
Yes, ma'am.
anyways, in the classes now we'll be having more of Obviously, we'll be having more of writing work, except that I have to do two things with you. One is complaint letter, placing an order. In placing an order, it's a letter in which you can easily score full marks, but you're making very, very silly mistakes. So I have to do that letter, different types of placing orders, and what are the requirements, clear, for every,
Ma'am,
for different
reported
things
on
that you place an order, there are different things that you have to write. So that is something that I have to do. And the second very important thing that I have to do with you people is factual description, data representation. I'm not very happy with that. The way you people did it in the paper. Yes, some of you have done it very well, but then it is a question again where we can score full marks. And so we need to practice that a lot. Is that clear? Now, I was thinking that you'll all take your paper. Most of you have not yet taken your papers. Your papers are still lying with me. I wish you had your papers in front of you so that you could come to know. I wanted to discuss the paper, discuss the way you have to write your answers. So I want all of you to open the question paper. Please open the question paper which was given to you. You all have it? I think 4th of January. 4th of January was your test.
Ma'am, can you do the paper discussion in next class?
Who's that?
Ma'am, at that time we will be having our papers also.
Which papers?
Ma'am, you have taken sample paper.
Huh? I'm discussing the answers of that sample paper.
Okay.
That is what I'm doing today. I'm going to discuss what are the expected answers of the, I'm not discussing the comprehension passage. Whatever mistakes you have made in the comprehension passage, I have already written the correct answer. Clear? If I put a cross, I've also written the correct answer along with it. Now, let's come to question number 3. Question number 3, which is an extract. Good evening, Navya.
Good evening, ma'am.
Better from now onwards, from Saturday onwards. Tomorrow you don't have a class. From Saturday onwards, we are going to have a class from 8 to 9 p.m. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Because the schools are reopening. All right. Now we are discussing the question paper, the one which you have done. Please, all of you, open your question papers in number 3. But please, Stefanovich, how can they be yours? Do be a reasonable man. My aunt's grandmother gave the meadows for the temporary and free use of your grandfather's peasants. The peasants used the land for 40 years and got accustomed to it as if it was their own. When it happened that Chubukov, excuse me, my precious, you forget that that the peasants didn't pay you, your grandmother, and all that because the meadows were in dispute. Who is the speaker of the above line? Ivan. Clear? This was by and large done correctly by most of you. The meadows were given by my aunt's grandmother for the temporary and free use of
Ma'am?
your. हाँ.
मैम अगर मैम above line पूछो स्टेफन नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि चुबुकोव ने बोलिया last line तो.
No, they're asking about the first line. Who's the speaker in the above line? Above line above lines bola hai. Clear? But doesn't mean that the actual line. Chubukov has only given the answer. The line was spoken by, the initial lines were spoken by.
Ivan.
Question number 2. The beados were given by my aunt's grandmother. To whom? To grandfathers. What is the answer?
Peasants.
Peasants. For how many years had peasants used the land?
40.
40 years. Find out the antonym of permanent from the passage.
Temporary.
Temporary, that's easy. Which land is being talked about in these lines?
Oxen meadows.
Oxen meadows. Now, one or two children have again made that mistake. Please don't repeat that mistake. Aditya Gupta, when you attempt your MCQs, you have to write the complete word or words or sentence, whatever the answer is. Supposing it's question number 3, part A, the first question, you'll write question 1. Whatever is the option A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll write option 1 or option 2, and then you have to write the entire answer. Is that clear? Clear? Please don't write, because CBSE will not give you marks. And the second thing, Aditya, again, you have made this mistake. See, I'm telling his mistakes to everyone so that others don't repeat that mistake. Clear? We have to learn from each other's mistake. What children do sometimes, answer 1, clear? A, but you're writing the answer jo C ka hai. You're writing number A over there, but the answer belongs to C. Whatever words you've written, they are in C. So in that case, neither will A be counted nor will C be counted. The teacher will think that, the checker is going to think that you are trying to fool the checker. So you're not going to get any marks for that also. So you have to be very careful. 40 marks MCQ you have got, and you should consider 40 marks inside your pocket. So you have to be very careful when you are doing your MCQs. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, question number, the second part, B. The following Sunday, Lencho came a bit earlier than usual to ask if there was a letter for him. It was the postman himself who handed the letter to him, while the postmaster, experiencing the contentment of a man who has performed a good deed, looked on from his office. Lencho showed not the slightest surprise on seeing the money. Such was his confidence, but he became angry when he counted the money. God could not have made a mistake, nor could he have denied Lencho what he had requested. Was Lencho surprised on seeing the money?
Not at all.
Not at all. Why?
Because he was having complete faith in God, and he was positive that God will send his money.
Absolutely. Lencho didn't get 100 pesos from God. It was only
70
70
pesos.
pesos.
why only 70 pesos?
Because the postmaster could only gather that much.
Yeah. Choose the characteristic displayed by Lencho when he opened the letter.
Lencho belief in God was strong.
Yeah. How do we come to know?
Because he was not even a bit surprised when he got the money.
Yeah. And then the second thing, when he saw that it was 70 pesos, he was 100% sure that God could not have made a mistake. God must have sent 100 pesos, and it was only the post office employees who had stolen away the 30 pesos. Clear? So much of faith and trust in God.
Ma'am, first का not at all है ना?
Not at all. Correct. Who handed the letter to Lencho?
The postmaster.
Postman.
Postman.
Which of the following is the antonym of accepted in the given extract?
Denied.
So that is option
C.
3.
3.
3. C ka hai? 3. See, this is the mistake I was talking about. If it is 1, 2, 3, you have to write in your answers 1, 2, 3. If it is ABC, you have to write in your answers ABC.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear? Question number 4. Read the extract. Pistol in his left hand, pistol in his right, and he held in his teeth a cutlass bright. His beard was black, one leg was wood. It was clear that the pirate meant no good. Who held the pistol?
Pirate.
Pirate. What was the color of his beard?
Black.
Black. What was his one leg made up of?
Wood.
Wood.
Find a word in the phrase which means the same as thief.
Pirate.
Pirate. Name the poet.
Ogden Nash.
Here there are about 4 or 5 children who have made a mistake. They have given the option D, Robin Klein. There are 4 or 5 of you who have made this mistake. Please learn the names of the poets very, very thoroughly.
Ma'am,
You
do we
should
have to
know-
learn the name of the authors?
Yeah, that is what I was going to tell. Actually, you should know the name of the authors also, because you have so many MCQs, you could be asked. If it is an extract from a lesson, from a prose, they could ask you the name of the author also. So that you need to learn. And it's not difficult even if you learn 2 names in a day.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes.
He should be lurking in shadow, sliding through the long grass near the waterhole where plump deer pass. The tiger is passing through
Grass.
grass. For whom is the tiger waiting near the waterhole?
Fat deer.
Fat deer. Find the word from the passage which means the same as fat.
Plump.
Plump. Who is in here?
Tiger.
Yeah. The poetic device used in line 4 is that the alliteration. Sorry. कौन सा है ये?
Ma'am, where plump deer pass
Yeah,
line.
yeah. Where plump deer pass. Alliteration.
Ma'am, how?
Plump and pass.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Choose the correct option to fill in the blanks to complete the note about the member of Birds Watching Club. Grammar. In developing countries like Britain, Germany, Japan, and USA, one can see a number of people, all age groups like pensioners, school-going children, etc., dash in the meadows.
Moving about.
Moving about. Moving about in the meadows. I think here most of you have scored 3 marks. Forests and parks. On the riverbanks and seashores with cameras and notebooks, dash birds.
Jotting down the name, columns, and sizes of the different.
Absolutely. B. Jotting down the names, colors, and sizes of different birds. Each member of a bird watching club dash a badge.
Is provided with. Ma'am.
Is provided with. Clear? Option number C. Then there is this. Naina, did you enjoy your holidays in London? Well, only in parts because it was really very cold there. Did you see any of the famous places there? Yes, I did see a number of interesting places, though I wished it had rained a little less. All right. Neha asked Naina.
If she enjoyed it.
Yeah. If she enjoyed. Some of you have written had enjoyed, which is not correct because enjoy will become simple present, will become simple past. So it's going to be enjoyed. Clear? If she enjoyed.
वहां पर did you दे रखा है
वो तो इसलिए दे रखा है did you enjoy because she's asking about the past, but the verb has to be changed. Did is
Ma'am,
only a helping verb. The main verb has to be first changed.
मैम पर जो हमने प्रैक्टिस करी उनमें ऐसे डिड के साथ सेकंड फॉर्म में आती है, तो हम हमेशा डिड को
तो
ऐड
ये
करें।
तो बेटा ये तो डिड के साथ सेकंड फॉर्म कहाँ है? हम तो डिड हटा रहे हैं ना, जब
Yes,
हम
ma'am.
उसको वी आर रिमूविंग द डिड. If she enjoyed, where are we writing did?
Yes, ma'am.
The main verb is, which is the main verb?
Enjoy.
That has to be changed into the past. Simple past.
Which option is correct?
If she enjoyed. If she enjoyed in London. Naina replied, that is option number A. Where am I?
I will has not come. I have written C part.
You have written?
C part.
Has कैसे आ जाएगा? Has तो present है और enjoyed past है.
Okay.
To this Naina, no. Naina replied that, Naina replied that she had enjoyed herself only in parts as
It was really cold.
Yeah, it was really very cold. It was really very cold there. Then Neha wanted to know
if she visited some famous places.
yes, if she visited some famous places. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the seventh one.
मैम सेकंड पार्ट में कोई वर्ब चेंज नहीं हुई ना?
Second part है कहाँ गया? एक तो this is so small. Where is it? Naina replied that she had enjoyed herself only in parts as क्या है ऊपर? It was really very cold. इसका was हो जाएगा ना?
यहाँ पर तो was लिखा है।
मैम फर्स्ट पार्ट में बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही है।
एक मिनट. It. Where is the answer? हाँ. We just wait. As it was. Where are the options? It was cold there. It was very cold. Really very cold ही होगा.
मैम मतलब वर्ब चेंज नहीं हुई कोई?
नहीं.
मैम पर इसका रीजन क्या है कि कोई फैक्ट है ये?
See, actually, yeah. Here I want to tell you one more thing. Khwahish.
Yes,
Khwahish,
ma'am.
see, in one of the you had pointed out that none of the above answers are correct, and you had written the correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? That was absolutely correct. You did the absolute. What you did, your answer was correct. But what you have to do in CBSE question paper, if you think there is something wrong, clear? 4 options are given to you, and you're 100% sure that these 4 options are not the correct options. Yet, out of those 4, you have to pick up one and write the closest one. If there is actually, there's some mistake in the question paper, then by default, CBSE is going to give you 1 mark for it. If it is not the child's fault, it is CBSE's fault, then you will get the marks for it, provided you attempt the question as it is given. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
वैसे इसका एक्चुअल आंसर क्या होता?
एक मिनट. But if you don't attempt the paper, if you don't attempt that question thinking there's something wrong over here, then you will not get marks. Normally every year, some subject or the other, there is one small error. Kahin na kahin hoti hai. So for that error, all the children who have attempted, they get marks. In this case, was is which tense?
Past.
Which past?
Simple past.
So simple past changes to
Past perfect.
absolutely. So what will it become? Had been,
Had been.
right? But it is not given in our 4 options. Doesn't matter. Whatever you feel is the closest, you tick that option. Actually, it should be had been. Because simple past changes to past perfect. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now question number 7. My brother dash a song.
Has composed.
Simple, has composed. The court declared the officer was guilty of negligence.
That.
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 Politics, a corrupt game these days.
Has gone.
Politics dash a corrupt game these days.
Was.
These days,
Ma'am, is.
yeah, it should be is.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ha, beta.
Ma'am, in this I had written is, but you had wronged it and wrote was.
No, it
Same
should be
way.
is. Then that I made a mistake over there.
Okay, ma'am.
Because these days likha hai, so obviously it has to be is.
Yes, ma'am. That's why I was asking.
Yeah,
So it
if
should
I
be
have
was
done
there.
that, if I have done that mistake in other papers also, then please note this. Here it should be is because it is these days, present. One of my friends dash to Canada.
Has gone.
Has gone. Dash by the noise, Nitin left the place.
Irritated.
Irritated. I am a slow reader, but I remember dash I read.
Most of what?
Most of what?
Yes. Most of what I read. All right. Now, writing section. You are computer in charge of Army Public School. Your school wishes to buy 20 computer and computer accessories from Apple Inc. Nehru Place. Okay. Now, in this, first comes the sender's address. Leave a line, write the date. When we write the date, we don't write the word DATE. We straight away write the date. Clear? In the receiver's address, there are 4-5 children who have made a mistake, and the mistake that they have made is you have not written the sales manager. The letter, any letter is addressed to some person. Either the designation of that person has to be written or the name of the person is to be written. In this case, obviously, we as buyers would not know the name, clear, and we are not worried about or bothered about the name. We are only bothered about the designation. So we are going to write the sales manager. Very, very important. There are few children who have missed that. Please don't make this mistake again. The sales manager. Clear? And then the address. Then you leave a line, sir. Then subject. Subject, just a minute, Akshit. Subject has to be very simple. Placing order for whatever it is. Books, sports material, electronic equipment, whatever you're placing an order for, every subject will be the same. Placing order for and whatever you are placing an order for. Yes, Akshit?
Ma'am, I have written the manager.
Akshit, you had some... The manager is also okay.
Ma'am,
That's fine. Yeah.
ma'am, can you apply a comma after manager?
No, we don't have to use commas anywhere in the format. It has become obsolete. Yes, I remember there was one child, I don't remember the name, who has used comma after every line. The sales manager, comma, then the whatever the next line, comma, 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 all over. I think I have marked it all over. We don't have to use comma anywhere. Clear? And we don't have to write the word to also. To the sales manager. To is not written. Once upon a time, it was written. Now it is not written. The sales manager. Then in the first para, by and large, you had written correctly that I am the whatever in charge, and I would like to place an order for these things for the school. Or some of you have written that your quotation has been accepted by the school, and now I would like to place an order for the following items. Clear? For the first paragraph, we are going to write for the following items, because we have not yet written the name of the items. And in the last para, 2-3 children have made the silly mistakes. You have written in the last para, please send the following items as, within a week or within 10 days. There you have to write, please send the above mentioned items in the last para, because you have already mentioned the items. In the first para, it has to be the following items, and in the last para, it has to be the above mentioned items. Clear? Then you have to draw a box. Whatever order has to be placed, that has to go inside a box. The number, whatever computer and whatever accessories are required, the quantity, and the brand. But in this case, I didn't pay attention, in the beginning, but somebody told me that it has to all be Apple Inc. because it's given in the question, accessories from Apple Inc. So here, even if you didn't mention the brand, it was okay. Clear? All right. And then after you have made the box, then there are certain things which you have to write. First, by when do you want the delivery of the items? Very, very important. Please do not write send them as soon as possible. You have to give a date, or you have to give a stipulated time, within a week, within 10 days, within a fortnight, or give a particular date. If you are writing a letter on the 4th or 5th of January, you can tell them by the 15th of January. But do not write as soon as possible. The second thing that has to be written is that transportation and packaging and transportation rests upon you. The third thing is defective goods will be returned. You can also add kindly enclose the guarantee and the warranty papers, because you are buying electronic goods. So obviously we all know when we buy electronic goods, we also ask for guarantee and the warranty papers. So you can ask for that also. Clear? And in the end, you have to talk about, yes, you can ask about the discount also. Clear? 20% discount or 10% discount, whatever. That, and then in the end you have to mention about the payment also. So many of you forget about that. Either you can write that I'm sending a part of the payment. You have to write how much is that, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, by draft or by check or whatever. Clear? And the rest will be made after receiving the goods. Is that clear? And then yours truly or yours faithfully and the name. So these are the things. In case you are ordering something else, depending upon, if you're ordering sports item, obviously you are not going to ask for guarantee and warranty papers. We don't have guarantee and warranty papers for that. For that, you're going to write something else. If you're ordering books, for that you'll write something else. They have to be latest publication. They have to be hardbound. They should be in good condition. So for different things, you have to write, for different, depending upon what you are placing the order, you have to write your last paragraph. Is that clear? Now, the next question. You notice while traveling in the metro that in spite of the strict vigilance, people try to deface the metro trains. Write a letter to the editor of an evening newspaper. Yes. What are you going to write? First, sender's address, then the receiver's address. Clear? Sorry, the date, then the receiver's address, the editor,